Good morning, dears. Today we discussed about how find out this analgesic activity of drugs using hot plate method. For assessing the analgesical activity, these two thermal methods were used, mainly tail flick method and hot plate method. In both the methods, rats and mice were first screened to eliminate non-responders. Animals which do not show any kind of response in the testes due to their inherent nature. So here we are going to find out the or assessing the analgesic effects of pentazocine by using this hot plate method. Analgesia, that is sensitivity to pain, this can be induced by various ways to the animals. Painful response can be noted with and without painkillers like this analgesics. Analgesic drugs inhibit the sensitivity to pain. In this method, heat is the source for pain. A constant heat, that is 55 degrees Celsius, will be given to the animal by hot plate. And the response of the animals. Examples like jumping, paw leaking and withdrawal will be observed. So the aim of this experiment is to study analgesical activity of drug by Eddy's analgesometer. So first we got this principle of this study. That is, analgesia is defined as the state of reduced awareness to pain and analgesic by raising the threshold to painful stimuli. Commonly used analgesics are aspirin, paracetamol, all are these non-narcotic drugs, and pentazocine as a narcotic drug. The painful reactions in these experimental animals can be produced by applying noxious stimuli, that is unpleasant. This can be done by this thermal, that is radiant heat as the source of pain, and from chemicals, that is irritants such as acetic acid and bradykinin, or from this physical pressure like this tail compression. In this laboratory, commonly used procedures are tail flick or withdrawal from the radiant heat using analgesometer, hot plate method as jumping from radiant heat, and its temperature should be maintained 55 degrees Celsius. So requirement for these studies are animals is here using this albino mice 20 to 25 gram, and pentazocine, here we are going to for the checking the analgesic activity of this pentazocine 4 mg per kilogram is orally administered. So in this hot plate method, here we are going to follow this hot plate method. That is, Eddy's and Limbach were the first to describe this method in 1953. So this apparatus is known as Eddy's hot plate. In this hot plate method, we use heat as the main stimulus or source of pain. Mice are the choice of animal for these experiments. Hot plate is a device having boundary on outer side and a plate which get heated by a heating coil from inside. Here mice are placed one by one on this apparatus, which temperature is kept constant by a regulator, that is around 55 degrees Celsius. And leaking the paw jumping reaction of animals are recorded as the end point of the experiment. They're showing the analgesic, this increase the reaction time. So first go to this procedure. Firstly, we weigh out all the mice and number them accordingly on their tail. Take the basal reaction time when mice started leaking their paw or starting jumping, which appears first. The normal response time is around 7 to 10 seconds. If they not respond up to 10 seconds, these animals were removed from the experiment. Then administrate the given drug orally and note down the reaction time at 30, 60, 120 and 180 minutes after drug administration. Then when drug administered, the reaction time will be increased and 10 seconds is the maximum time for response. The next step is to calculate percentage in increase of response time as before and after administration of drug. The percentage increase in the mean reaction time, which indicates the degree of analgesia produced, was calculated by using this formula, that is percentage increase in MRT is equal to MRT in test or standard minus MRT in control, or divided by mean time in control into 100. So this hot plate method, next we are going to assessing the analgesic activity of this sesame seed. This is the ethanolic extract. We can apply this the same procedure here. That is Eddy's hot plate method. Albino mice were placed on the heated place, and the time taken for either par leaking or jumping was taken as the reaction time or latency time. Then albino mice were immediately removed from the hot plate on par leaking or jumping to prevent damage their pars. The test drug was given orally half an hour prior to the experiment. Then temperature of the hot plate was set at 55 degrees Celsius. Here this cutoff period was taken at 10 seconds. The latencies record before and after 30, 60, 120 and 180 minutes of administration of standard and test drug, and the results were compared with the control. In this study, this ethanolic extract of sesame seed at the dose of 100 mg per kilogram and 150 mg per kilogram exhibited significant analgesical activity at 120 and 180 minutes. Whereas at the dose of 200 mg per kilogram, it exhibited activity even at 60 minutes. So we come to this conclusion: the activity of extract at 200 mg per kilogram was comparable to aspirin. From this hot plate method, we can assess the analgesical activity of various NSAID drugs and plant extract also. Thank you. Thank you so much for your patient listening. This is my YouTube channel, Easy Learning. If you are interested, please go there, like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.